everybody, here I am in Moscow, Russia, and I'm next to the metro station Krasnye Voroda, which is North Red Line, a couple stops up from Chesty Prudy, and I'm at this restaurant called Bashkordistan. And why am I here? Because it's the only place in Moscow where you can eat Bashkir cuisine. Seriously. This is the only place in all of Moscow that you can eat Bashkir cuisine. And okay, Bashkordistan is a republic. It's part of Russia. Going east from Moscow, a few hours by plane. And yeah, it's a republic heading towards Siberia. So now, Bashkir people, there's millions of them, and there's a lot of them here in Moscow, and I forget actually like what percentage of Bashkir people make of the whole Russian population, but there's like millions of them. It's like the fourth largest peoples in Russia. So it's kind of surprising that this is the only place in Moscow where you can find Bashkir cuisine. So if you're in Moscow and you want to try some different kinds of foods, different kind of cuisines, try Bashkir cuisine. It's tasty. There's only like two places you can go: this restaurant and Bashkordistan. So. Let's walk around the restaurant a little bit. Nice car. All right, let's cruise inside. Russian ice hockey jersey, and so they have outside seating. And we've got some photos on the wall here of celebrities, Russian celebrities. This place opened up like a year ago. Oh, there we go. You got Steven Seagal right there. All right. And so, yeah, there's a lot of celebrities that have been here. And yeah, everyone's looking at me right now, but it's okay. And you have a nice mural. Actually a carpet. Oh, nice. Got some Hollywood celebrities right there. And then let's cruise inside. And it's all like authentic Bashkir culture. Huh?
I will show you.
Oh, okay. They want to show me something. Ah, okay. Nice. Okay. I guess a nice little secret room. Okay. Hello. Wow, okay. I guess this is kind of like a private little room. You got music, a DJ and stuff right here. Okay. And they got a guitar on the wall here, and I don't know who it's by. Can't see, but yeah, they have a guitar, but I can't read who it is. Ah, okay. And you got some nice women right there. So, I don't know if it's kind of like a little secret room or something, but yeah, cool. And you got the Terminator right there. Okay, nice, cool little room. Oh. Okay, yeah, he just said, hey, come on over here. So cool. So now let's walk around a little bit more of the restaurant. I think they just opened up, that's why. That's why not a lot of people are here right now. But you have a giant TV right there. And just authentic Bashkortostan stuff all around. So right there, Bashkortostan restaurant. And then you got a little bar right here. Okay, so this is my table. This is where I'm sitting right here. And I just got myself a couple dishes right here. Salad and like an assorted mix right there. Garlic, onions, olives. Tasty. Tasty olive. And I'm drinking a mojito. And no, not every video I make has beer in it, but the only reason why I'm ordering the salad and this little assorted dish right here is because it's expensive here. So yeah, it really is. And I don't want to spend 4,000 rubles just on myself for lunch. But anyways, um, if you come to Moscow and you want to try some Bashkir cuisine, this is the only place that you're gonna find it. So I recommend it, but you're gonna pay a little bit. Yeah, definitely, you're gonna pay a little bit of money coming here, ordering dishes and all that kind of stuff. But Bashkir cuisine is tasty, and I recommend it. So, anyways, it's time to eat my lunch, relax, and enjoy some Bashkir culture. So, okay.